I'll work in more calculator problems where you need the calculator. But here we've got the position of an object attached to a spring. It's given by this. Okay, so it must be going boom, boom, up and down. So they're using like a y-axis idea. It is given by this, where t is time in seconds. In the first 4 seconds, how many times is the velocity of the object equal to 0? So you need to know the velocity. If they were asking us for the velocity at a certain time, and you're on a calculator section, we should calculate this more. Like if they were asking you for the velocity at a certain time, I just want to point out that you'd go math no. You'd go math 8, and that would open up like a derivative thing. But we don't want the velocity at a certain time. We want the velocity in general, figure out where it's equal to 0. So for both of these terms, I got to do chain rule. So velocity, this is y prime of t. The derivative of this first one is negative 5/6 sine of 5t. Okay, if that doesn't make sense to you, you've got to think about it. That needs to be clear to you. I use chain rule. This one here, the derivative is minus 5/4 cosine of 5t. This is the velocity. I want to find out where it's equal to 0 in the first 4 seconds. So I already graphed it. You have to make sure that you're in radians for our whole test. And I only care about the first 4 seconds. So seconds 0 to 4. So I'm going to go right to my window. My x min means leftmost x. I want my leftmost x to be 0. X max means rightmost x. I want it to be 4. I'm looking for when this graph equals 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time it crosses. 6. Okay, so 6.